Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete all files from Google Drive. You can delete all files and folder at one click. So I will show you how. So let's start with the video. So here, just open the Google Drive and log in with your email ID and click on My Drive. And here you can see all your folders and files. So in folder section, you can see the folder. In file section, you can see files like your photographs, video file, Excel sheet, everything. So if you want to delete everything, you can delete. Just click on this and just click view as a list. Okay, so just view as a list like this. Now you will see all files. On top you will see your folder, and in bottom you will see, if you scroll down, you can see files and videos and all. Okay, so if you want to delete multiple files, just select first files and just hold your left button of your mouse and just, okay, click here, click on any files, click and don't leave, just hold it and just you can scroll down like this, and all file will be selected, or you can delete from here. Okay, after delete you have to go in trash, and you have to delete from there also if you want to delete permanently. So there is another shortcuts way. Just select for one file and hit the Ctrl plus A button on your keyboard. Hit the Ctrl and A, then all file will be selected. Yeah, you can see 50 file has been selected. Just scroll down and you can again you have to click Ctrl and key A, then all file will be selected. You can see now you can delete it like this. Okay, so first you have to select files and you can delete like this. After delete, go to trash, and here also you will see all deleted file, and you can just click on empty trash, then all file will be deleted. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.